powder? I hope she has. Or the glittered powder, I mean, sorry. Since she sent for it. Good, okay, perfect. Oh. Nope. I love the way this smells. It's my favorite smells in the world. You know, people are mad at me for you know what. Like anyone cleans anything. This is wonderful to inhale. I don't know, I've never tried it in just plain water. Virgo. Okay. Hey Ash, I didn't see you. What do you mean yanking it down? Like go like this or something? Is that what you mean? Oh, okay, okay. I only do that occasionally, like, I don't know. I don't do it very often. I used to. When I first started Clean Talk, I used to slap every one down, and then I was editing my videos, and I was like, that's annoying. So I stopped doing it. Honestly, I don't know. I don't know what I smell. I don't smell anything distinct, just like cleaning products. I mean, I guess now I smell the Blanca, but. Yeah, I love Sunshine Yellow. It's so vibrant. Sunshine Yellow and Neon Pink and Neon Green are my brightest colors. Do I need to buy what weekly? Like products? Yeah, I go daily to the store. I smell Blanca. What's wrong? She did eat with this. And then everyone that came in after her and picked stuff, hell yeah, you guys are amazing. I'm glad she wanted this done again. I loved when I did it on my page. And I was like, ooh, I like that. It was pretty. I try to color Comet, it's just not as vibrant. It's like dull and weak. Are we getting bad again? I'm sorry, this isn't the live to do that in. I'm sorry. You can send for more powder. You can send for sudsy bubbles. I get them from a lot of people. Actually, every single one in the sink right now is from Soapy. I'm gonna get an epoxy really quick. I got 2 new red epoxies. Let me grab it. Pardon my reach. To this one. I'm playing in coffee. No, it doesn't feel like mud. This is my iced coffee for the week. I'm getting it all mixed up and good, so I don't have to make a batch. No, I just rinsed the sponge out and then washed them in my dryer on delicate, or washer, my washer on delicate. It's coffee. I just told you guys, it's coffee. No, you didn't miss it. We have a lot more coming. I just, we're cleaning. I was just smoothing it out. I was just straining the coffee grounds out. Adding a little bit of lemon in the coffee. Adding the rest of the orange Pine Glow in the coffee. Orange. Yep. Don't you guys like lemon and orange in your coffee? All right, and then we have some pear flavor. Yeah, the powder's coming soon. You like bleach in yours? Me too, that's really good. Strawberry's good too. Pear. All right, now let's add in our, this is our strawberry coffee. This is a new strawberry powder. It's called Sweetheart Coffee. You can find it on my page. And then we have lemon coffee powder. Then we have regular coffee powder right here. It's like white coffee. You guys ever had that? It has more caffeine in it, so it gives you more energy. You can get it for $1 at Home Depot. And then we have roasted orange. Actually, no. We have strawberry again. This is roasted orange. All right, let's mix it all together. Good. Yeah, I use it as iced coffee, so it can definitely be like a cold brew. Oh, they're getting hard to squeeze in there. This is coffee, this isn't chemicals. So no, it doesn't hurt. Creamy. Look how creamy this is. I love it, Molly. Nom nom nom. One bite for you. If you don't want to see the comments, you can swipe them away. I can try.